that? So cool. Oh. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do something really cool. It's a science experiment and we're making a crystal ornament. So now let's get started. What you need for this is a pair of scissors, pipe cleaners, string, a pencil, a jar or any cup you have, hot water, and borax. All you need to do first is your pipe cleaners. And then you have to fold them into a half and then cut it. When you attach them together, you just have to take one and twist it like that. It's a bit tricky, so I'm just gonna, okay, got it. You twist it and you turn it like this. Now it's ready, so now you can make any shape you want, but I made a snowflake. The next step is you need to take the string you have. You will have to cut it off to attach and tie around here. This ornament is ready. So now let's tie it to this pencil I have right here. You have to make sure this can first fit in your cup or jar, anything you have. Mine fits, so I'm ready to go. Because mine is a bit long, I'm going to cut it off here. Okay, just going to put it aside. So now you pour the hot water into your cup or jar, whatever you have to use. Okay, just going to pour a little more. This seems like good enough water. So now I'm gonna put some borax in the water. Got to mention that you actually need to put 1 cup of water and 3 spoons of borax. Okay, now we have to mix. Make sure you mix it well before you put it in your ornament. So I'm gonna put it in my ornament. Sure your ornament doesn't touch the sides or the bottom of your cup or jar, whatever you're using. You have to wait 12 to 24 hours for it to get your crystal. Hour check! So cool because it's starting to get ready and sparkly in the inside when I can see in the outside. It's just so cool. Look at it. I see her because my crystal snowflake ornament is finally ready and it only took 3 to 6 hours. So I'm gonna pull it out and show you guys. Okay, this is the crystals on it. Wow, this is so cool. If you guys also want to try this at home, you should do that. I'm gonna put this on my Christmas tree. Look at that, so cool. You look at the cup, if you guys can see really close, it looks like crystals are forming in the cup, even on the snowflake. That is so cool. I poured out all the water from my sink and I need to show you guys something. Look how big of chunks the crystals are actually below. I need to show you guys that. Can you see that so much crystals? It's so cool. All the crystals and I kind of smashed them up to make it look cool. Like this. And also, I am going to do Among Us one sometime soon. Tell me in the comments if you want me to do the Among Us one. All the ingredients you need for the crystal Christmas tree is 6 spoons of water, a spoon to mix with, scissors, bluing, ammonia, cardboard from a notebook, and a plate or something like this for you to put in the crystal Christmas. Do cannot do the ammonia by yourself. Always ask an adult to help you with the ammonia. Let's get started. I put 6 spoons of water already in my dish. So I'm gonna get my spoon in the bluing. So I'm gonna open the lid up and only put 6 spoons of the bluing in here. Also wear your science goggles or your safety goggles, whatever you want to call them. So I'm gonna get up and my mom is gonna do the ammonia part and I'm just gonna watch her. Time for the salt. For the salt, also you would need to put 6 spoons of salt. Take your mask too with you because the ammonia is really powerful. Make sure you mix it and mix it really well. Put the solution away because it's strong. So just time to cut your Christmas tree out. Okay. It's then just the last part to cut off finally. Okay. Almost done here. Then what I have to do is cut a line like in the center here. Okay. Since you cut from the bottom on this one you have to cut from the top. If you see the lines, you cut it here on the top and the one on the bottom. This top one, you have to take it and take the bottom one. Like this one where it is here, you put it on like this. I'm done inserting it. This is my 3D Christmas tree and now it can stand here. Now you pour the mixture in here. So now time for the food dye. I picked 3 colors. You can pick any 3 colors you want to. All the colors picked was pink, lemon yellow, and my last color is blue-green. So I'm gonna add mine, and you should you're only supposed to put like on the edges area here. Now time for the pink, and that's gonna go in the middle. The green, blue, and the pink are over. So now time for the lemon yellow on the top edges. This is how our Christmas tree looks. And it looks so cool. Now it's time to put it in our mixture down here. So I'm gonna put it in. Okay. Now you have to wait for 24 hours for the crystal Christmas tree thing to work. Guys, we made 2 and one's a big one. Wow! Look at this Christmas tree! So cool! Literally just been a day. This Christmas tree changed a lot from yesterday and look at the colors. There's yellow, pink, and blue. It's so cool. Look at the snow. Also grew salt. Can I touch it? Feels like snow and kind of sticky. You guys can see it. There's some yellow bits, blue bits, and pink bits. Just so cool. Look at it. You guys should try this with home with many colors. I wonder how yours would turn out. Isn't this so magical like Christmas? Wow. Wow! Wow. Like, share, and subscribe, and I hope you like this video, and Bye. See you guys all next time.